Today in this video we are going to talk about the acknowledgement available in the JMS connector. So as you can see here in this link that we have actually four acknowledgement methods. One is auto, the other is duplicate okay, yeah, dupes okay, what we said. And the other one is immediate acknowledgement, and the other one is manual acknowledgement. So if you go to the ag component and you will see over there, auto acknowledgement means whenever the message listen, if the message is listened successfully and there's no error in the flow, then the acknowledgement will be auto. Otherwise, this is duplicate okay, which is same as auto, but this does it in a slow way, in a lazy way, so that a message duplicate can also be done, so it all allow duplicates. The immediate acknowledgement is that whenever the message is consumed from the queue or topic, it's immediately acknowledged even though the flow can fail. So for redelivery and for other things, we need to have a dead letter queue for to handle errors, or to have the message to have the message saved somewhere else. The other one is manual acknowledgement, in which, as the word suggests, we have to do the manual thing. We have to send the acknowledgement by ourselves. We have the ECK ID with us, and we can send the acknowledgement back. Similarly, we can use that ECK ID for the redelivery as well.